Example number second one. Graphically find whether the following pair of equations has no solution. First of one question, no solution. Second, unique solution. Third one, many solution. Three types of in solutions: no solution, unique solution, or only one or two solutions there is. Next of many solution. In this way, no solution, two lines are parallel. It means A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 not equal to C1 upon C2. That time two lines are parallel. Is clear? Next, unique solution. So is that time A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2. A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2. So that time unique solution. And many solution, it means a coincident. Therefore, A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 equal to C1 upon C2. That time two lines are coincident. Yes, to check. So therefore, the problem of 5x minus 8y plus 1 equal to 0. First of one equation. Second equation, 3x minus 24 upon y, 5y plus 3 upon 5 equal to 0. So second equation, there is 24 upon 5 and 3 upon 5. There is denominator 5. Every one term multiply up the 5 or LCM given equations. So therefore, 3x into 5, because the LCM of 5, minus 24 upon 5y multiply of 5 plus 3 upon 5 into 5 equal to 0. Yes, any doubt there? First half multiply by the every one term by 5 because LCM is a 5. So is 3x into 5, 24 upon 5 y into 5 plus 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5 into 5. 3 5s are 15x minus 5 cancel 24y. 5 cancel, remaining 24y plus 5 cancel 3 equal to 0. 15 minus 24 plus 3 is a one of the same table, that numbers 15 and 24 and 3. That 3 numbers is in the same of the table. Which table? 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Divisible by the 3. So is the divisible by 3 because the 3 terms is in the same top table. So that time you divisible by the etc. that number 3 or 4 or 5, there is the divisible by the 3 because 15 is in the 3 table, 24 is in the 3 table, 3 is in the 3 table. Yes, okay. So is 3 5s are 15, 5x, 3 8s are 24, 8y plus 3 1s are 3 equal to 0. So the question is no solution, unique solution and many solution. That time what is the first of questions or first of equation is the first of one equation. So is the second equation. Second equation to the change because the second equation is given 3x minus 24 by y, 5y plus 3 upon y, 5 equal to 0. So is the change of that is 5x minus 8y plus 1 equal to 0. 2. Second equation is there. There is second equation. So is a1 equal to 5. a1 equal to 5. Next b1 equal to minus 8. b1 equal to minus 8. And c, so is the c1 equal to 1. That is the first of one equation. a1 equal to 5. b1 equal to minus 8. c1 equal to plus 1. And next of second equation, there is the second of equation. So is a2, not a1, a2, because second equation, a2 is 5 and b2 is minus 8. So is the minus 8. c2 is 1. Yes, the time you check the answer is same or not same or not equal. So is the first of 1. First of 1, what is that? There is a1 upon a2. The first of 1, a1 upon a2. a1 5, a2 5. a1 5 and a2 5 cancel, the answer 1. Next b1 upon b2. b1 upon b2, so is the minus 8. And b2 answer, so is the minus 8. Cancel, minus plus 1. Next c1 upon c2, 1 by 1 equal to answer of 1. So is the answers 1, 1, 1. Yes, okay, equal answer because the first half 1, 1, second point 1, third point 1. So therefore a1 upon a2 equal to, so is the 1, equal to b1 upon b2. b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. That time two lines are coincident. Yes, okay, because a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. That time two lines are coincident. There is the, what is that? No solution or unique solution or many solution? Yes, there is the many solutions. Is clear? Understand? Write it the point of. So is the, therefore that two lines are coincident. That point is right. Champa went to a market or Saleh to purchase some pants and skirts. There is pants and skirts. When her friends asked her how many of each she had bought, she answered that time the number of skirts. So is the answer the number of skirts. The number of skirts purchased is 2 less than twice the number of pants. It meaning there is the, once again, the number of skirts, purchased skirts is 2 less than twice the number of the pants. So is the 1 point. There is 1 point in. Next, purchased also the number of skirts. Next question or next equation start. There is skirts is 4 less than the 4 times the number of pants. Purchased, help her friends to find how many pants and skirts Champa bought. To the confused questions, because the question is given in the statements. So you first that statement change to the equation systems or equations. There is, once again, Champa went to a market to purchase some pants. So let starting let pants is denoted by the X. Let be pant, the number of pants denoted by the X. And skirts, so is the skirts. Skirts is denoted by the Y. Yes, because the some pants and so is the skirts purchased Champa. Therefore, not a fixed number. Sum, there is the given sum. There is not number 2, 3, 4, etc. Number not given. So is therefore Champa purchased how many pants or how many skirts, the question. So is therefore let the pants of number X and then let the skirts of number Y. Yes, okay. So is therefore next of Y equal to skirts equal to starting Y equal to, it means skirts equal to. When her friends asked her how many of each she had bought, she answered, there is the starting your question. Starting the number of skirts, skirts is to the Y. So is the first of you take that point Y. The number of skirts is 2 less than, so is the minus 2. 2 less than twice the number of pants. Twice it means double. Yes, okay. So is therefore your pants is denoted by the X. Twice it meaning 2 into X. So is the, what is the answer? 2X is clear. The first half one. Skirts is so is the Y. Y equal to is 2 less than minus 2 less than minus 2. So is therefore twice the number of pants. Pants is denoted by the X. Twice it means 2 into X. So is there the first half one equation. Y equal to 2X minus 2 is the first of one equation. The end. And there is the completed. Also, next question. Also, the number of skirts. Continue. The second equation. That is the first of one equation. And second equation. The number of skirts. The number of skirts. It means skirts denoted by the Y. Y equal to the number of skirts is 4 less than. So is the 4 less than. 4 less than, it means minus 4. Minus 4. 4 times the number of pants. 4 times the number of pants, it means so is the denoted by 4x. Is okay. So is therefore less than 4 times the number of pants. 4 times the number of pants, it means 4 into pants is denoted by the x. So is the 4 into x, 4x minus 4. That is the second equation. So continue. Purchased help to the her friends to find how many pants and skirts Champa bought. So is the equation ready. Y equal to 2x minus 2. So is the first of one equation. And y equal to 4x minus 4 is the second equation. Any doubt? Illi enadru nimage doubt ittu andra? Yes, not. Champa went to a sale or to a market. Champa ಏನು ಮಾಡಲು ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಹೋದ್ರು, ಸಂತೆಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಲಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಅವಳು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೆಲವು ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಲು ಸಂತೆ ಒಳಗ. ಯಾರು? ಚಂಪಾ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಲು. ಮುಂದೇನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ವೆನ್ ಹರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್. ಮುಂದ್ ಬರೋ ಹೊತ್ನಾಗ ಆಕಿನ ಗೆಳತಿ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ ಏನು? ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಹರ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಸಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬಾಟ್. ಸಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿ, ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿ, ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಕೇಳದ ಬಳಕ 2 ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸು 4 ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ ಅಂತ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿ. ಅಥವಾ 3 ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸು 5 ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಂಟು ಅಥವಾ 2 ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಬರೇ ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ ಅಂತನೂ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತನೂ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನ ಗೌಪ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ರೂಪದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಆಕಿ. ಸಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಡ್, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಆಕಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಲು. ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ನಾ ಏನು ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಿನಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ, ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೂ ಲೆಸ್, ನಾ ಏನ ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡೀನಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟರಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದಂಗ ಆಯ್ತು, 2 ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಎದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದ್ರ ದೆನ್ ಟ್ವೈಸ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಗಳ ತಗೊಂಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಆ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಗಳಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದಂಗಾಯ್ತು, ಆ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 2ರಷ್ಟಕ್ಕಿಂತ 2 ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಪ್ಯಾಂಟುಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದರ 2ರಷ್ಟಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದಂಗೈತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, 2 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲಿ. ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಮುಂದೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿ, ನಾನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಈಸ್ 4 ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ದ 4 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಗಳು ತಗೊಂಡೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅದರ 4ರಷ್ಟಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಲು, ಮತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಲು. ಮೊದಲನೇದ್ದು ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ನಾನು ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದರ 2ರಷ್ಟಕ್ಕಿಂತ 2 ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕ ಅವಳ ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ನಾವ್ ಏನಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಯ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗಾದ್ರ ಆಕಿ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು 2ರಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ, 2ರಷ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್, 2 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಅದು 2x ಆಯ್ತು. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ, ಮೊದಲನೇ ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 2x ಮೈನಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು 2 ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬಂದ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಆ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಗಳೇನದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದರದ 4ರಷ್ಟಕ್ಕಿಂತ 4 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಹಂಗಾದ್ರ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು 4ರಷ್ಟಕ್ಕಿಂತ 4ರಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, 4x ಆಗತ್ತೆ. 4 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ 4x ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟರಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದಂಗೈತೆ, ಅದು 4ರಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಥವಾ 4 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಲು. ಇದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, 2x minus 2, the first of equation. 2x minus 2, so is the y. Y equal to 2x minus 2. So therefore, the equation 2x plus y to the transfer the RHS side plus y is the minus y. So is same point minus 2 equal to 0, the first half 1. 2x minus 2 is the same place. 2x minus 2 same place, not change, but only change the y. Y is transfer. Next half 4x minus 4 same place, remaining the same place, not change, but transfer only y. So is the first right to the 4x. 4x plus y, so is the minus y. And minus 4 equal to 0. Yes, in you have two equations. The first of one, a1 equal to 2 and b1 equal to minus 1. There is the minus 1. c1 equal to minus 2. c1 equal to minus 2. a1 is 2, b1 is minus 1, c1 minus 2, and that is second equation. So write that a2 equal to 4 and b2 equal to minus 1 and c2 equal to minus 4. Yes, okay. The check what is the value of a1 and a2. So is therefore a1 upon a2. a1 2 by 4, 2 by 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are equal to 1 by 2. The first half one answer. a1 upon a2, the answer of 1 by 2. Next b1 upon b2, b1 upon b2, b1 minus 1 and b2 minus 1. So is minus minus plus 1 into 1 is the 1. 1 by 2 and 1, the same answer. The answer same? No. The answer of change not equal. First half 1 answer 1 by 2, second answer 1. So is A1 upon A2. Therefore, A1 upon A2 not equal B1 upon B2. So that time two lines are definitely intersect. Yes, okay. Is the unique solution. Is the unique solution because A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2. That rule is denoted by the two lines are intersect in any one of the point, any one of the place or any one of the point. So is the answer of unique solutions. So therefore, write it the first half. Next you check the what is the answer of that question. Y equal to 2x minus 2. The first half one equation solve the graphical method. ನಕ್ಷೆಯ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬಿಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಫ್ 1 y equal to 2x minus 2. So is table x, y, 1, 2, 3. So the answer of first half 1. So is the 2, 1 minus 2. 2 1s are 2 minus 2 equal to 0. There is 2. Y equal to 2, x 2 minus 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Next 3. So is y equal to 2, 3 minus 2 equal to 2 3s are 6 minus 2 4. The first half one equation 1 0 2 2 3 4 in graphical method, and second equation y equal to 4x minus 4. Y equal to 4x minus 4 the second equation. So is therefore y equal to 4x minus 4 second equation. There is the next half one table. So is x y. Y equal to there is 1. 4 1 minus 4. 4 1s are 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Next y equal to 4 the x value 2. So is 2 minus 4. 4 2s are 8 minus 4 the answer of 4. Next 3. So is y equal to 4 your value x 3 minus 4. 4 3s are 12 minus 8. So is the 4 3s are 12 minus 8 the answer of 4 2s are 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 4. 4 3s are there is 12 and minus 4 the answer of 4 3s are 12 minus 4 the answer of 8. So is the 8. And next you draw. So is the first half one equation y equal to 2x minus 2, y equal to 4x minus 4. The values draw in a graph. So is therefore one of the graph. There is x 0, x x dash, y y dash. The highest x so is 3. Point of 1 2 equal 0.3 and 4. Next y the highest 0 2 4 0 4 8. Highest is number of 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 or etc 9. Next so is the minus 1 and minus 2 etc completed, because minus point is x value, not minus point or minus systems. So is therefore minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 the end. Yes, the first half one x equal to 1 y equal to 0. X equal to 1 y equal to 0 denoted by the place 1 0. And x equal to 2 y equal to 2. X equal to 2 y equal to 2 is the one of place 2 2. And x equal to 3 y equal to 4. X equal to 3, so is the y equal to 4. S is the 1.34. Draw a line. That is the one off line. That line denoted by the y equal to 2x minus 2. That lines denoted by the y equal to x minus 2 line are first equations. And second equation, x 1 0. So is the 1 0. Same place is there. And 2 4. 2, so is there 4. Is the 2 4. The point of 2 4 is there 2 4. Next 3 8. S is the 3, so is your number 8. There is the one of it. Draw, so is the second half line. So therefore, first half one line, there is the first half line, so is the second line. Intersect at a point, because A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2, definitely two lines are intersect at a point are unique answer. Yes, okay. So is therefore a x intersect of the x axis. That two lines are intersect of the x axis. What is the point up there in x axis? X axis only one. X axis is to be denoted by the only one. What is the x? You let the x equal to pants or skirts. X denoted by the or x noted by the pants. The Champa purchased only one pant. Skirts, answer is 0. Skirts is no. There is Champa not purchased skirts, and Champa only purchased by the only one pant, because the two lines are intersect at x axis. X axis is denoted by the pants and y-axis is denoted by the skirts. Therefore, that two lines are intersect in x-axis. That point 1. So, therefore, Champa purchased in the market the pants number of 1, the skirts number of answer 0. Yes, okay.